back to my channel. Today I'm doing a dresser tour. Yes!
Hello?
Make sure to hit subscribe and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I upload a new video.
So I was doing this series where I show you little bits of my house and then combine them into a house tour so that the house tour is not forever long. I've done a bathroom tour before this and a wardrobe tour. Now it's time for my dresser tour, and after that I think I would be ready to do my bedroom tour, which is where I am right now. But before I begin, I really quickly want to talk about these beautiful glasses that I've been wearing in all my videos lately, all courtesy of Firmoo. Firmoo.com is a wonderful website. I have so many spectacles because of Firmoo and I love them. Their glasses are such good quality, and you can actually go on their website, put on your picture and try them on. I'm going to insert the picture of what I look like with these there. This is what I look like now. I mean, of course, reality is better, huh? Show them to you up close. So they have this little rim here. I love that. It's like a pinky color, but not too over the top. And I love how big they are. So even if I don't have makeup on and I feel like I'm having a dark circle kind of day, put these on and it hides them. I think they're really cool. They've got a little bit of gold, a little bit of pink, but not too over the top, and I love them. All of their glasses come in really cool covers, by the way. It's this beautiful cover which has the world map on it, like part of a world map, and it looks so cool. It says Firmoo right here, but it's not too there, so you can even use it for your spectacles and just look cool. And then comes with a cloth here, microfiber cloth. It also comes with some accessories to fix your glasses. So it comes with extra these things, the nose things, and then screws to screw it on, and a device to screw on the screw. So it's just like you order one time and you've got everything. Even if they break, you know how to fix them. So I think these are super awesome, and they accessorize any outfit, making it look super quirky. So if you would like to buy a pair of Firmoo glasses for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the bottom bar below. Big thanks to them. I've worked with them twice before and loved it. This is my third time, so yeah, love the Firmoo family. And now let's get into my dresser tour. So when you enter my room, on the right next to my wardrobe is my dresser. This dresser was already provided by my house owner, so I love that. I love the light wood of it, and it's just super duper girly. So let's get into it. So first of all, I've got some lights here on the sides which are really tiny, so I guess you can't tell right now. I'll show you in a close-up. These lights were a gift from Primark. Then right here I decorated it a little bit up top with some things, and that were just essential. This plant was given to me by my house owner, very kind of him, and behind it is the cell box of the lights. Then I've got some candles here. I've got a Joe Malone candle and another Happiness vanilla candle, again gifted. I've got this letter B which actually lights up. There you go, ta-da! Which is from Typo, Singapore. I got a tiny Ganeshji here which my mom gave me. Then on the right side I've got my perfumes. I've got some Zoella Beauty perfumes. Then I've got this H&M, which was a gift again, H&M perfume. It's a glitter perfume. I've got some Victoria's Secret, some Body Shop Japanese Cherry Blossom, which I got in my Secret Santa last December. This really vintage looking watch with a dinosaur on top. I didn't want to look at my phone the first thing in the morning to look at the time. Now, if you look on both sides, I've got these little porcupines that I got from Claire's in India to put my earrings in, and then behind them are my daily skincare items. So on the left, I've got skincare, my eye cream, body cream, face cream, things that I apply out of the bathroom. On the right, I've got an extra cream, dry shampoo and hairspray, hair stuff, and another little candle thing. Right here, I've got this little a lid in which I like to keep my daily pins for my flights, and then I've got a matchstick for these candles. Now let's get into the drawers. We've got 3 drawers right here. Let's get into them. So over here I've decorated this drawer into different baskets which I got from Lifestyle or 99 store back in India. In the first drawer I like to keep some of the chunia that I have. Again, this one is from Lifestyle. Some rings in another lid, a BB cream, some blotting paper, just like that. Second one is my Strictly makeup aisle, extra bronzer, blusher, stuff like that. Oh, powder, glitters, lip products. Next up is for hair accessories and just other accessories in general, quirky stuff. I've got a special bracelet, hair gel. This one is for my bigger hoopy earrings and some real jewelry here. And last but not the least, this one I got from Daiso here. This has all my palettes. Then I've got a mini container right here. If you see, this has all of my patches and pins. If you peek a bit down here, I've got my extra brushes. I don't know what this combination is, and just random stuff right here. Now the second drawer is strictly miscellaneous. Here I've got my sunglasses and spectacles. In this box I like to put all my scrunchies and stuff. Extra sunglasses that I'm wearing daily. I've got my hair extensions right here, a standing mirror and stuff. In this I like to keep my other hair accessories, nail stuff. This is actually a hair chalk. Who remembers that video? This one is strictly miscellaneous / extra stuff. Things like my electronic heating sonic face scrubber. Make sure to watch that video. I've got my necklaces here. Not a very practical way to store them because whenever this drawer moves, they move. But you know what? It's okay. Now last but not the least, this drawer just has all of my crafty stuff. So we're not gonna look at that. Let's bring that back. So that was my dresser tour. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now that these mini areas in my room are covered, I think the next video in this house series is going to be my room tour for sure. So make sure to keep your eyes peeled for that. If you've not done it yet, please make sure to watch the bathroom tour and my wardrobe tour, and then you would be all caught up on my room. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.